it's Sonia Miller of Junk Monkey Paint Company, and welcome back to my vlog, my daily vlog. Today it's gonna be one of those that I take you on the road with me. So I was in at the shop this morning, got a little bit of things done, and now it's time to head out. It is Wednesday. It is Wednesday, right? Yes, I'm pretty sure it is. I think it's Wednesday. I'm pretty sure it's Wednesday. But today is a great day to go junkin because typically most people in the middle of the week, they're busy and they don't get off work till the weekend. So that's when all the, especially the DIYers and the junkers come out. That is why I am open at my shop on the weekends, because that is when I see the most amount of people come out and get a chance to work on their projects. So I'm hoping today by hitting one of my local Goodwill stores in the middle of the week that I might hit on some good junk. So let's go see what we find. And let me just tell you, it is a gorgeous day. Gorgeous day. I think we're alone now. Oh my gosh, guys, I totally rocked out twice. That's the distance that it took me to get from my shop to Latrobe here to the Goodwill that's behind me here in the center. It took me 2 times listening to Tiffany's new remix of her song, I Think We're Alone Now. Question, anybody else just grow up loving that song? And oh my gosh, I used to listen to that song in my Walkman. Oh, so good. Well, anyway, she remixed it, and you gotta go look it up. That's your homework, okay? Go right here on YouTube. That's how I just listened to it. You know, you can pull up music here on YouTube, right? That's what's so awesome about YouTube. So go ahead, type in Tiffany 2019, I Think We're Alone Now. And have you listened to that song, or at least listen to it, and then right below and tell me, do you love it or what? I mean, it is like one of those songs, like the anthems of your youth, where you just, I'm just giddy. Music and good junk. Let's go find some. Could this day get any better? You see me smiling? It's because, holy moly, they had so much stuff on their shelves in there. That was a good haul. In the trunk, I have definitely got some awesome treasures, some goodies. Oh my gosh, it's just like, you know, if you want to like put together a home, you can go out and you can find something else that somebody's just over. They've just moved on from it, and there's nothing wrong with it. It gets donated. Oh my gosh, how much fun is that? I actually found, maybe I won't even tell you. Just keep watching. Just keep watching. You're gonna see what I picked in there. Oh yeah, just keep watching. So I'll see you tomorrow, and we'll start painting a few pieces and decorating with a few pieces. It's gonna be good. Thank you guys for following along on my daily vlog. I love to take you guys out with me picking and junking and hauling and then painting and just enjoying the junker's life together. Give me a big thumbs up, leave me a comment below. Did you see anything on those shelves that you really liked? What would you have taken home today? And are you excited to see what I found today? I promise I'll share it with you. Okay guys, it's time for me to head off. I've had some fun, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.